As part of the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering course in the IUP program, I was able to get lectures from many different professors who are quite exceptional in their field and really learn the fundamentals of engineering quite efficiently.
University education should be about teaching skills, giving people abilities that they didn't have before. So one of the areas of focus I think for everybody here is to get students able to do things and think in a way that they couldn't do before while they were at high school.
Highlight, I think, would be the undergraduate research, just because, I've been talking to friends from back in Indonesia as well, or from other places, and I don't think the undergraduate research experience is as extensive as here.
Japan is very much at the forefront of engineering, so I think that this is first of all a great opportunity. I think it's something of an unusual international student destination, but that on the other side provides an opportunity then which I think other countries don't necessarily provide. So not only can you fulfill your educational aims, but you can also experience a different culture and make use of the opportunities that provides.
The department covers a variety of subjects, such as electrical circuit design and electronic devices, communications theory, control theory, superconducting technology, artificial intelligence, computer vision, robotics, and so on, so many stuff. They are all quite essential and critical in advancing today's high-tech society. We conduct so many interesting research, ranging from artificial intelligence, computer vision, image recognition, and electrified aircraft, flying cars, etc. And robotics and so on.
My laboratory is called Systems and Control. We study control systems, and what I study is I try to control a system of robots. I think the environment of my lab is very supportive and helpful, because even if I'm stuck, I can always consult with my professor, because professors here can speak both Japanese and English. So in case if I'm stuck, I can always ask for help from my professor. Also, this gives me the golden opportunity to work with other international students from all over the world, and Japanese students as well. I don't think this is an experience that you can get if you're staying in your home country.
In particle chemistry department, we use molecule and polymers for materials applications. In our department, we use molecule for for functional application, such as fuel cell, catalyst, cosmetic, bio applications. So professors are focusing on using the molecules for these functional materials.
I wanted to specialize in fuel cell because I was concerned about the global warming issue, and I am confident and believe that fuel cell is the hope to solve this problem. So when I want to study in fuel cell, I have to search for the environment and the research level of fuel cell research throughout the world. Especially in fuel cell research, Japan is quite famous for it because the government plays a lot of budget, but also because the research level there is high, where you have a lot of famous papers coming out from Kyushu University.
Currently, I'm a member of the biochemistry lab in Kyushu University. There, I study about biology and chemistry and how combined we can develop new materials for the purpose of drug carrier. My research topic is especially concerned with the characteristics of new material for the purpose of biomedical technology.
Civil engineering is a very broad discipline. It covers both disaster mitigation, environmental protection, planning of our cities, and preserving our ecosystem. And all these factors combined, we can contribute to the safe and affluent living of the people of the nation.
In civil engineering, we work on roads and buildings and social infrastructure for society. And to me, social contribution is a really important part, and I want to be able to give back to the world with the studies that I have made at Kyushu University.
We learn about how machines and technology work and how to apply that knowledge to tackle different engineering challenges that we are facing today. Mechanical and aerospace engineering also provide us many opportunities for us to study and do research in many fields, such as machine design, system and control engineering, aeronautics and astronautics, and renewable energies.
So Kyushu University is probably one of the biggest campuses which is focusing on hydrogen energy in the world. We have a huge number of different facilities and infrastructure based around hydrogen. We have several departments and research centres, all focusing on different aspects and wide aspects of hydrogen energy. We have lots of infrastructure, for example, hydrogen filling stations and several fuel cell vehicles that we can all focus on, looking at the industrial aspects of hydrogen as well. And because of all this, many of our students go on to work in the hydrogen industry in Japanese companies after they graduate.